Well, hi traders, I'm literally recording this from my bedroom. It's going to be a couple minutes update. So we had this breakdown through $2, big spike low on the 4-hour chart, and then a beautiful big reversal candle thereafter. Doesn't mean we're out of the woodwork yet. And actually, I wanted this to drop down to $1.80 or $1.50 below us, which you will see at some stage on the daily chart when I switch across. Can't see it now. But we've got a lot of traffic overhead right at the moment on the 4-hour chart. We've got the 100 period, the 20 period and the 50 period moving average above us. And we're actually just right back into the middle of the range. This doesn't mean that we're not going to go lower, but it's a good start. And I like the fact that we probably trapped a few people who went short on the break below $2 and cleaned out some of those positions. And we've now moved back into the center of the range. We do have this traffic above us. So if you switch across to the daily chart and see where we are, there's that little spike low beneath the support. So we do have the 180 and the 150 levels below us, which we could still get to. And we're still in the middle of this yellow range. The problem is that we've got this 20-day moving average just down above us, and we've got this range top. If you're not long yet, there still might be an opportunity to buy around the $2 level. Remember, my plan is to buy at $2, which I have done, and add to $1.80, $1.50. Ideally, we'll get down to $1.80, but I don't think so. I think this might be the reversal candle that we've been looking for. However, if you're not long, it's probably best to wait for a break above the top of this range and a close above the top of this range here at about 2.2, 2.22 and the 20-day moving average. Move up and a back test of the top of this range and a hold above there before getting long in this market. Above us, we've got the 50-day moving average in the middle of this green resistance level. And we've got another resistance level above us and then the big one at $3 before we get up to our eventual target at this $3, 40, 50, 60 or 75 level, where this 100-day moving average is coming down into the center of it. So that's the plan overall. So far, so good. I like the way this looks. It's a pity I didn't manage to get more at $1.80, but there's always the opportunity to add to a winning trade if we do manage to break above this range, the 20-day moving average, the top of this range, and a back test from the top, and a successful close above there. I might consider adding to my winning position. If you want more detail on this trade structure and trade idea, go and have a look at some of the previous videos, perhaps the last 2 videos. And in those videos, you can see my trade ideas for natural gas. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to the channel. Have a great weekend, and I'll speak to you again on Sunday.